Hello everyone, you're welcome to provide a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is x to the power 6. This is equal to 3 to the power 6. So what are the values of x? Now we have x to the power 6. This is equal to 3 to the power 6. So let's take 3 to the power 6 on the left hand side. So that we'll have x to the power 6 subtract 3 to the power 6. This is equal to 0. We can express x to the power 6 as x to the power 3, okay, squared, subtract 3 to the power 3 squared. This is equal to 0. Now you find that this is actually in the form of a squared minus b squared, which is the difference of two squares, which you can express as a plus b, a minus b. So in this case, a is equal to x to the power 3, and b is equal to 3 to the power 3. So therefore, a plus b, this is the same thing as x to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3. This is equal to 0. Let's call this equation 1. Then we have a minus b, which is x to the power 3, subtract 3 to the power 3. This is equal to 0. Let's call this equation 2. So let's solve equation 1 and 2. Let's start with case 1. Here we have x to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3. This is equal to 0. Now this is actually the sum of two cubes expressed as a cubed plus b cubed, which you can express as a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. So the next step here, applying this identity, x to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3, this can be expressed as x plus 3. Here we have x squared, subtract 3x, then plus 3 squared, which is equal to 9. This is equal to 0. So in this case, we have x plus 3 equal to 0 as the first part, and we have x squared subtract 3x plus 9. This is equal to 0. So the first part here, we can call this one x1. This is equal to negative 3. So this is the first solution here, which is a real solution. Then the second part, we have a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. This is equal to 0. So the value of a here, this is equal to 1. B is equal to negative 3. And c is equal to 9. So let's solve this one quickly. Now we have the x1, that is x1 is equal to negative 3. And the quadratic equation here, a is equal to 1, b negative 3, and c is equal to 9. So for x2 and x3, we can express this as by applying the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Now applying this property or this formula, we'll have negative 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 3 squared subtract 4 times 1 times c, which is actually equal to 9. All this divided by 2 times 1. The second step here, negative times negative 3, this is 3, plus or minus the square root of negative 3 squared, this is 9, subtract 9 times 4, this is 36, all this divided by 2. So here we have 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 36, this is negative 27, all this divided by 2. So we can express this as 3 plus or minus, we can express negative 27, the square root of negative 27 as 27 times negative 1 divided by 2. And this is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 27 here. We can express this 27 as 9 times 3 times negative 1 divided by 2. So the next phase here, we have 3 plus or minus the square root of 9, this is 3. The square root of negative 1, this is I. Square root of 3 divided by 2. So in this case, we have 3 plus or minus 3i square root of 3 divided by 2. So this means that x2, this is equal to 3 plus 3i square root of 3 divided by 2. And we have x3 equal to 3 subtract 3i square root of 3 divided by 2. So these are two complex solutions here. These are two complex solutions we have. Now, let's proceed to case 2. Now, case 2, we have x cubed minus 3 cubed is equal to 0. This is actually in the form of a cubed minus b cubed, the difference of two cubes, expressed as a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. So applying this property, find that x to the power 3, subtract 3 to the power 3. This can be expressed as x minus 3. Here we have x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared, which is 9. This is equal to 0. So here you have two parts, that is x minus 3, this is equal to 0. The second part here is a quadratic equation, which is x squared plus 3x plus 9, this is equal to 0. So here that means that x4 here is equal to 3. Okay? And we have the quadratic part here. We have a equal to 1, b equal to 3, and c equal to 9. So applying the quadratic formula, x5 and x6 can be solved by applying the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 is c, all this divided by 2 times a. So let's substitute the values of a, b, and c. We have negative 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 3 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 9. All this divided by 2 times 1. So the next step here, we have negative 3 plus or minus. Now here we have square root of 3 squared, this is 9. Subtract 9 times 4, which is 36. All this divided by 2. So this is the same thing as 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 36, this is negative 27. All this divided by 2. We can express this further as 3 plus or minus. We can express negative 27 as 9 times 3 times negative 1. All this divided by 2. So this is 3 plus or minus the square root of 9, this is 3. The square root of negative 1, this is I. Then we'll have square root of 3. All this divided by 2. So that means that x5, x6, this is equal to 3 plus or minus 3i square root of 3 divided by 2. Now, these are another set of complex solutions. These are another set of two complex solutions. And that means that we have 6 solutions here. That means that we have 6 solutions here. 6 solutions. We have x1 equal to negative 3. We have x2, x3, and this is equal to 3 plus or minus 3i square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, there's the negative here, sorry. And then x4 is equal to, x4 here is equal to 3. We have x5 and x6, and this is actually equal to negative. This is negative 3 plus or minus 3i square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, here supposed to have negative 3 plus or minus 3i square root of 3 divided by 2. So x5, x6 is negative 3 plus or minus 3i square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, so here we have 6 solutions. So kindly watch this video, like and subscribe.